Once you have added a quiz to your course, you can edit the quiz to start adding questions. To add a multiple choice question, you can select it from the question picker. You can then give your question a descriptive name. This will be used to keep track of questions and will not be shown to learners. You can then create the question text. Here, you can also add media like images or video to make your quiz more engaging. You can specify the number of points this question should count. And you can optionally add general feedback that will be displayed to learners after they have answered the question. You can assign a question ID as another optional way to keep track of questions. Then select whether learners should be able to select only one or multiple answers from the available choices. You can also enable random shuffling of the available choices. And you can select the format in which choices should be numbered. Finally, you can decide whether or not to show learners the standard instructions to select one or more of the available choices. You can then define your list of available choices. Enter the first answer in the Choice 1 text field, and select a grade percentage for the answer. This is the percentage of the total points that a learner will earn for selecting this answer. If, for example, only one answer is correct, you can assign a 100% grade percentage to the correct choice while assigning a none grade to the incorrect choices. You can optionally add specific feedback to let learners know why this answer is right or wrong. Similarly, enter the second answer in the Choice 2 text field. Assign a grade percentage, and optionally add specific feedback. You can repeat this for as many choices as you would like to make available to your learners. In this example, learners will have 3 available choices, and the answer for choice 3 will be the correct answer. You can simply leave any unrequired text fields blank, and should you wish to provide more choices, you can also create more blank text fields to add additional answers. In the Combined Feedback section, you can optionally specify the feedback that learners should receive when their response is correct, partially correct, or incorrect. You also have the option to allow learners multiple tries to get this question right within the same quiz attempt. If this is enabled, you will be able to specify a penalty and provide hints for each incorrect try. You can reach out to your administrator for help to set this up. Finally, you can add tags to make it easy to keep track of questions. When you then click on Save Changes, your multiple choice question will be added to your quiz. And you can continue to add additional questions. When your quiz becomes available to learners, they will be able to interact with your question in accordance with the settings you have specified.